Hello everyone! In this video, I'll go over with my portfolio which I had started last April 2020. So hopefully you can get something from me. As I stated earlier that I was just started investing last April 2020, in which I had a first-time deposit of $2,000. And then I found it interesting and fun, and I love investing there after I had added amount almost every week and every day. So therefore, my total deposits or capital has been $21,911 and $25, in which $10,014.64 is in my registered retirement savings plan, and on my tax-free savings account it is $11,896.61. However, I had a cash withdrawal last December 29, 2020 for $1,300. Therefore, my net capital or capital balance at the house is $20,611 and $25. I have NEO at 911 shares, which used to be 1,000 shares, but I sold 500 shares before during the sell-off last December 1st because on the fear of Chinese delisting. And up, I had an average cost per share of 26.94 because I have to buy my stock again. I also have Palantir guys for only 100 shares at average cost per share of $10.85, giving me a total market value of $3,328. Meanwhile, my BFT will be going to merge with PaySafe. I have 100 shares at average cost of 15.14. I have a gain right now at 28%. However, it only gave me 1,933.80 of total market value in CAD. And what I love on my SPAC is having PSTH in my belt, because PSTH, I believe that it will give us the best unicorn that we have at the very low price. If you follow my vlog before that I able to sell all my PSTH because of OCG, I buy it back at 26.46. Luckily that I able to recover from swing trading in Jaguar Health or JAGX. Okay, so with this 100 shares, I will be having a warrant, which is 2 of 9. So therefore, with this, I can have 22 pre-warrants after business combination. So hopefully, it will be striped, fingers crossed, or another unicorn that could give me 100 per share or at least $80 per share. I also have the semiconductor company, THBR, a SPAC actually, that will be merging with Indie. So I have 100 shares at average cost per share of 11.64. So this stock, I would be adding more. Maybe if I already had profit taking with BFT and PSTH, because semiconductor of Indie will cater to O2 or AV industry. So we all know that we are in transitioning to clean energy. So if you follow my blog, I have THBR also a video, so you can find that on my content. While I have my solar play as well, my clean energy play, which is Array stock, which is the second producer of solar tracker. So I also have a video on this, so you can check that out. RTT and BIGC, I just bought it today again at 30 and 10. So look at that. So I able to average down my BIGC. Now guys, I have NTAR, which is actually the product of my swing trades. So I just don't know what the stock, I just can't remember what the stock that I have swing traded for NTAR. I think it's Rocket or BIGC. So NTAR right now, I have 500 shares. So before, I also have 700 shares in my TFSA, but I sold it because of that OGC thing and OCG, I mean. But right now, I decided to just maintain 500 shares at my RRSP. My new play, I had NRDM and acdc.cn. So NRDM is one of Cathy Wood's portfolio, and I had been watching this stock since at $4 or $3 level. Market value in CAD as of January 12 is $92,069.16, having a net capital only of $20,611.25, investing for just 9 months. As a result, I have a total gain of $71,457.91, resulting to 347% gain. Imagine, my portfolio is up by 347%. So, if you will ask me what are my secrets, actually in investing, you just have to know the fundamentals of the company and look at its economic moat or the competitive advantage. Also, the potential of that industry. Is that industry has a demand? Is that industry can get a sentiments? Is that industry can ignite a demand from both on the product of that company or product of that sector or particular industry, and also it can attract the demand on the share price. Notably, right? EV stock compared to ICE. So now, what is in demand to the eyes of the investor is EV, not the ICE one. And that's my secret when I found out NEO. So when I found out NEO, I said this, oh my god, the product is good. The product is better than Tesla. So it could be the next Tesla. I actually told that to my friend that NEO could be the next Tesla, and I'm betting on it. And it's trading at $3 dead, which the fundamentals such as current ratio and debt to equity is horrible. So, but I trust NEO. I trust NEO. I purchased 300 shares and then add more shares when the momentum kicks in. Yes, guys, I love momentum stock. When the stock is trading sideways, I used to sell them. I used to swing trade those stocks which had been traded sideways. I don't want stocks to be dead. I don't want my money to be dead on just one stock. Absorbing those opportunity costs to earn more on the next run-up stocks. Okay, so my way is I invest more when the stock price goes higher. When the stock price moves, that's the time that I will add more shares on that particular stock. I will not wait for a long time because there are a lot of stocks there. It's thousands, 10,000, 20,000 stocks out there, and you have to choose which one could give you more return. And how to choose that? You have to choose a stock having the right fundamentals. Like I said, current ratio, which must be 2:1. Okay, 2:1 or higher, that is better. You have to look at their working capital as well. Look at gross profit margin. Why? Because gross profit margin is actually important because GPM will show us how much money is left to absorb or to pay for the operational expenses and how much money would be left to us investors. Note that the increase on earnings per share would lead to share price increases. Okay, so that's why I like BIGC, RKT, and Array because they have actually an amazing or attractive gross profit margin.
All for today, guys. So if you like this video, please give me this like button. And if you want more on the updates of this portfolio and another stocks that I may cover in the future, click that subscribe button. And also, click that notification bell so you'll be keep updated on my upcoming videos. Please remember that I'm uploading a video once or twice a week.